So today I'm going to be scamming my dog with this and this. So there's a bunch of food under this one, but under this one there's just one piece of food. So let's release the dog. First, let's put the food right there, and then the cup right there. Now let's release the dog. Now let's see which one she picks. So Leia, which one do you want?
Well, you didn't scam her.
Well, scam her.
She found the one with the most food.
Yup. So that means she can get this one. So she doesn't win a tiny piece of food. But today, I guess we didn't scam the dog, so we can scam her. We can also not scam her, but she will eat this up really fast. We don't know how our dog does it, but sometimes when we give her apples, she literally just like gulps it. Like if you just throw a piece of food in her mouth, she just gulps it down. Bye.